Hello, so this is my first talking head video. This video is just going to be like a question and answer session. So I have some questions that I'm going to be asking and I'll answer them at the same time. My name is Tita. I'm from Cameroon, aka Le Continent. I am bilingual with my first language being English and my second language being French. And I'm a medical laboratory technician by profession. So the reason I'm doing this is because I want to take myself out of my comfort zone. This is because I have procrastinated a lot. I have had so many doubts, like I am not yet ready to do this, and every negative thing I've had it in my mind. But there just have to come a time that you just have to do it. If you don't do it, nobody's going to do it for you. So this my journey should be like a little motivation to you who want to start and you are still scared. My friend, my brother, my sister, nobody cares. You just have to start. Nobody is going to come and do it for you. Perfectionism and procrastination are very bad and they will prevent you from stopping. So to avoid that, you just have to start. As you must have noticed, if you visited my channel, this is my first talking head video, but this is not my first video on YouTube, as I have different YouTube channels and I have been uploading video for a very long time now. And over time, there's something I have discovered about myself, which is I like to teach. That is, when I had knowledge about cryptocurrency and investing, I quickly opened a channel and started teaching about it.
Use your mobile money directly to buy cryptocurrency. As you can see, you can buy.
And when I learned how to do vector art using just your phone, this is before the coming of all these AI tools, I quickly opened another YouTube channel and started teaching about it.
So here is our final cartoon and vector art. Are you ready? Let's finish this tutorial.
So with that said, in this channel, I will be sharing my knowledge about content creation. Whether you want to start your own talking head videos like this, or you want to start creating your own contents online, or you want to start your own faceless YouTube channel, this is the right place for you. Also, I will be talking about graphic designing and freelancing. And most importantly, I will be sharing my ideas on how to make money by doing what I have just mentioned. That is creating content or either freelancing or graphic designing. Okay, a quick disclaimer here. I have not yet made $1 million online, but I have made money online. And if you see all these people that used to come online and say they make money online, all is not lie. There is money online. And if you are serious and you are consistent, you are going to make it. I'm going to drop some screenshots of payments I have been receiving from clients. Now is the best time to get into content creation, mostly at this moment when everybody is moving online and content creation is on the rise. Don't worry too much about your setup, just start creating content. In fact, if you're a business owner who wants to be really successful, then you just have to be online. I don't know why you're not online, but you have to start creating content online about what you do, the service you provide. Just start creating content. It is very important. The last best time to get into content creation was yesterday. The next best time to get into content creation is today. So subscribe, because I will be sharing my process and guiding you along the way so we grow together. Offline, I am also a barber. Online, my skills online is I create whiteboard explainer videos, whiteboard faceless YouTube channel videos. I create video adverts for businesses. I also offer graphic designing such as thumbnail design, flyers, everything, you name it. In fact, I offer content creation services as a full package. And now what I'm learning is I'm getting now into talking head video editing and website designing. So if you need any of these services or you want us to work together, you want us to collaborate, just message me. My social media handles will be in the description. And also we can link up in other social media handles. My social media handles will be in the description. Let us link up. So if you watch this video right to this point, then you really want to start content creation. But a quick question for you: what is holding you back from starting? You want to start maybe a talking head video, or you want to start creating content online? What is holding you back from starting? Comment down below. Maybe you might not know, this might just be like a motivation for you to get started.